Okay, today we are going to be evaluating a logarithm. Your directions for your practice problems will say evaluate each logarithm. And you will see stuff like log, does that say 8? Log 8 of 32. Okay, so that's the problem that you're going to evaluate. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to make this equal to x. Now it's in log form. And you're going to do the opposite of what you did yesterday. Yesterday you had it in exponent form, you wrote it in log form. Today we're going to complete this equation in log form, and then we're going to rewrite this in exponent form. So log 8 of 32 equals x means 8 to the x power equals 32. Now, in order to solve these exponent problems where the exponent is a variable, we need to write both bases, or we need to adjust both bases so that they are the same. Okay? What I mean by that is that 8 is equal to 2 to the third. Agreed? And 32 is equal to 2 raised to the fifth is 32. So 32 equals 2 raised to the fifth. So we can rewrite this exponent as, we're going to rewrite the 8 as 2 to the third still times this x power. We're going to rewrite the 32 as 2 to the fifth. Now, once our bases are the same, or when your bases are the same and you've got variables in your exponents, you can cancel your bases. You would basically be dividing both sides by 2. These bases would cancel, and what you're left with is 3x equals 5. And then you divide each side by 3, and your x is equal to 5/3. So back to this original problem here, log 8 of 32 is equal to 5/3. This would be your answer. It's the same as saying 8 to the 5/3 power is equal to 32. For electronic assignment purposes, the answer to this problem that we just did would be this right here. Log 8 of 32 equals 5/3. So if that was question number 1 and I said the answer to number 1 on page 454 is, your answer would be 5/3. Everybody okay with that? If you get a much simpler one like log 5 of 125, All right. Log 5 of 125 is like asking yourself, what power do I raise 5 to make it equal to 125? Well, 5 squared is 25, and 5 to the third is 125. Okay, so that's just equal to 3, because 5 to the third equals 125. Log 4 of 32. All right, this is very similar to the first problem we did. So this is equal to x. So we write it in exponent form. 4 raised to the x power equals 32. The 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared, and the 32 can be rewritten as 2 to the fifth. So when we rewrite this in exponent form, we got 2 to the 2x power equals 2 to the fifth power. So you can cancel these bases because they're the same. This 2x is equal to 5, and then divide by 2. So we get an x equal to 5 over 2. So log 4 of 32 is equal to 5 over 2. Log 4 of 2. That means 4 raised to what power equals 2? Okay, so 4 to the x power equals 2. We rewrite the 4 as 2 squared. So this would be 2 to the 2 squared is 4. We keep this x power up here, and it's equal to 2 to the first power. Bases are the same, so we cancel. We get a 2x that's equal to 1. Solve for the x. So our x is equal to 1/2. So when we evaluate log 4 of 2, it's equal to 1/2. So log 4 of 2 equals 1/2. Let's look at log 49 of 7. All right, log 49 of 7 equals x. So 49 to the x power equals 7 to the first power. We can rewrite the 49 as 7 squared. So 7 squared, we drop down this x power equals 7 to the first power. Our bases are the same, so we can cancel them. So this 2x is equal to 1. We divide by 2. X equals 1/2. So our log 49 of 7 is equal to. Questions? All right, then your practice for today is going to be on page 456. Problems 20 through 28. And I'll remind you there's 8 topics in Alex this week that you'll be graded on.